Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara.
Once we get in touch with the power.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Alright, we're clear to go. Everyone on board. Everyone on board. Forward, left, and right. Fill in all available space.
High reading of the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the minor in motoring. Yes, I just want to be sure. Recruits must be on board now. Transporters away in 30 seconds. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nigel. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Hang on. Give me a moment. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unused...
Sympathizers, this ship is now under the command of the First Order. You will exit and proceed down the hallway to your right for interrogation. Now move along.
It does not take 5 minutes to make a hard scan. It takes 5 seconds. Are you making a documentary with this thing? What is that? What kind of documentary are you making? Answer carefully.
I know.
Prison life, perhaps?
Yes.
Going to see the inside of the jail cell? What's that?
Could be, yes.
Not the best idea, but it works. You think they're making a documentary with much less resources?
I think so.
I think so as well.
I couldn't think of a quick answer then.
Where are you going? It's a very porous cave.
Nice and wise. This way.
Messing with that thing. Recording your demise. How wonderful.
I'm gonna hear 6, 4 on red. 4 on red. 2 blue.
On the red.
How many here?
Four red.
Listen up. Pay attention to the colors at your feet. Go ahead and memorize those colors. We'll be standing on the same colors inside of the cell. If you have any bags around your shoulders or waist, remove them now. As well as any headgear. Let's hold those in our hands. It's time for your interrogation. Head into the cell.
Which way do we face? I don't know. I don't know which way to face. Oh, there.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Anything you said then. You're done.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu.
Hurry and don't get caught.
Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Any people here?
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection was eliminated. Take cover, recruit. If anyone's backing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his pod beacon.
Verification pending. That was awesome. Really good. Did you enjoy it?
But I don't think that they're wreckage right here.
No, there's a ship hand down at the wreckage site.
Sounds good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Stan's last showdown in Sector 4.
should have waited for it.
I suppose
He doesn't like drops.
Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, our 5, you too.